rifle on my back that my father used to own, and he carried it before me, 'cause a man defends his home. Yes, he often hunted deer and the larger game indeed, and in addition to his sporting, he would tell me of this creed. This gun is good for many things, I've learned to use it well. My founding fathers wrote our rights in stone. One day should our noble country ever go to hell, just remember, son, that tyrants are built made of flesh and bone. Just remember, they are made of flesh and bone. Now this boy became a man, and this man became aware of the enemies that threatened all his rights he held so dear. You can call them what you want, for they go by many names. It don't matter what you call them, 'cause I'll tell them all the same. My gun is good for many things, I've learned to use it well. My founding fathers wrote our rights in stone. Oh, I've seen the way a bastard charred my country all to hell. Just remember that your parasites are made of flesh and bone. Just remember that you're made of flesh and bone. There's 100 million patriots and 300 million guns. How I'd like to see a coward try and take them one by one. There's a phrase that's etched upon the heart of men across the land: you will only take our rights away from all our cold dead hands.
So, you know, you guys aware of the Appalachian National Forest?
Yeah. What about it?
Not really.
That's a good spot for
Yeah,
this?
it's wide open. Well, not wide open. It's just thick woods and nothing out there.
So you got a Betsy Ross, just like I do. That's pretty cool. Yeah, you're right. It won't cause any issues out there.
People walking around with guns in the woods.
I'm not lying to you.
Most people are out there.
To be brutally honest with you, the reason we just did that was because one time back in the day when I was younger, I was in the militia. We used to have girls come up to us and talk to us and then start conversations. And I wanted, you know, I got a girlfriend, but these guys are single. And I wanted to see if it would happen. But, man, Shell Point's changed the last 20 years. It's not the same type of beach now.
Yeah, people get a little weird and they do stuff like that. So.
Yeah. All right. Well, it was good talking to you guys, even though it was under these circumstances. It was still good to see you guys. I think I've met all of you before.
I think this is my first.
Yeah.
Oh, you first? I think I met you the other day. I think one of you was with my ex-girlfriend Nicole and she was freaking out. Who was that? I don't think there's anybody here then. All right, well, we're going to go home now. You guys have a good one.
Yeah.
All right.
Be safe.
Thank you for the understanding, guys.
Yep.